Windows are one of the most important features of your home or business, providing not just natural light but also insulation, security, and aesthetic value. Over time, however, windows can develop issues that affect their performance and appearance. If you're noticing problems with your windows, it's crucial to address them promptly to prevent more severe damage and avoid costly repairs. Window Houston Services offers expert solutions to help you maintain and repair your windows, ensuring your space remains comfortable and secure. Let's explore some of the common window issues homeowners and business owners face, and how Window Houston Services can help resolve them. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most frequent issues with windows is poor insulation. Drafts can make your home uncomfortable and increase your heating and cooling costs. This problem often occurs when window seals degrade, or frames become damaged over time, allowing outside air to leak in. As a result, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature, leading to higher energy bills. How Window Houston Services can help. Window Houston Services specializes in window seal replacement and offers insulation solutions to prevent drafts. Whether it's resealing existing windows or installing energy-efficient, double-glazed windows, their team ensures that your windows will help keep your home comfortable and energy-efficient. Condensation between window pane. If you notice fog or condensation between the panes of your double-glazed windows, it's a sign that the seal has failed. This problem occurs when the seal that keeps the space between the panes airtight breaks, allowing moisture to get trapped inside. Not only does this reduce the energy efficiency of your windows, but it can also impair visibility and damage the internal structure of the window over time. How Window Houston Services can help. Window Houston Services can replace the affected panes or even the entire window if necessary. They provide professional window restoration services that help restore the clarity of your windows and improve insulation. By replacing the faulty seals, they can stop the condensation issue and prevent future moisture buildup. Damaged window frame. Windows are exposed to the elements year-round, which means that over time, their frames can suffer damage. Wooden frames can rot, warp, or crack due to moisture exposure, while metal frames can rust. These issues can weaken the structural integrity of the window, leading to reduced security and efficiency. How Window Houston Services can help. Window Houston Services offers frame repair and replacement for both wood and metal frames. If your window frame has been compromised, their technicians will assess the damage and provide a lasting solution. Whether it involves replacing a section of the frame or installing entirely new frames, they ensure that your windows function optimally and maintain their strength. Sticking windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close are not just an inconvenience, they can also be a safety hazard. The cause of sticking windows is often due to swollen wooden frames from humidity, dirt, or damaged hardware. A window that doesn't open easily may be problematic in the event of an emergency, such as a fire. How Window Houston Services can help. The team at Window Houston Services can help fix sticking windows by either adjusting the hardware or replacing damaged parts. If the frame has swollen due to moisture, They may recommend resealing or replacing the frame to ensure smooth operation. Their goal is to restore your windows to full functionality, improving both safety and convenience. Cracked or broken glass accidents happen, and windows can get cracked or broken due to extreme weather, impact, or wear and tear. A cracked or broken window isn't just an eyesore, it can also pose a security risk and reduce the energy efficiency of your home. If not addressed, even a small crack can spread, leading to larger issues down the road. How Window Houston Services can help. Window Houston Services offers prompt glass repair and replacement services. Whether it's a minor crack or a completely shattered window, their team can replace the glass quickly and efficiently, ensuring your windows are safe, secure, and energy efficient again. Their high-quality replacement glass options also help improve insulation and soundproofing. Window sill damage. The window sill serves as a crucial structural element of the window and is often the first place to show signs of wear and damage. Water exposure, dirt, and other environmental factors can cause sills to rot, warp, or degrade, affecting both the appearance and function of the window. How Window Houston Services can help. Window Houston Services can repair or replace damaged window sills. They offer a variety of materials for sill replacement, ensuring your windows maintain their aesthetic and structural integrity. Whether it's fixing a small crack or replacing the entire sill, their team will restore your window's functionality and enhance its appearance. Conclusion. Windows are an essential part of your home or business, contributing to comfort, security, and energy efficiency. However, over time, they can develop issues that may require attention. Whether it's a drafty window, broken glass, or damaged frames, Window Houston Services is here to help. Their professional team can quickly identify and resolve any window-related problems, ensuring your space remains safe, energy efficient, and aesthetically pleasing. If you're experiencing any of these common window issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Window Houston Services for expert assistance.